standard. They are appearing in board examination. In 10th standard, students have their first board examination. In other classes, students are preparing for the examination. Dear children, everybody should be attentive, including teachers. And I would like to make this humble request to all the teachers that they should repeat all these words when they are meeting the students later on. Dear children, this long preparation for this particular task that we are performing now, that is examination preparation, this task started in the month of April, long time back. Such a long preparation for this mission that is to be accomplished successfully now, this started number of months back. So now is the time to have strong accomplishments, to have strong achievements, and to achieve this mission successfully. This is the combined task of all the students, all the teachers. So all children should be dedicating themselves fully to their preparation. The kind of feedback that I am receiving from the teachers, that is also very positive. Teachers are speaking very high of their students. Teachers are of this opinion there is marked change in the approach of the students. Majority of them are quite attentive. So all of you should be very attentive. Not majority of you, all of you should be very attentive. There should not be any kind of exception now. In your body language, there should be strong determination. In your mind, there should be mission-oriented approach. Everybody should be a symbol, should be an embodiment of focus. Firm, sharp, unwavering focus. So every time when anybody has a look at you, they should see, yes, this is what focus stands for. This is what seriousness stands for. This is what strong determination stands for. Everybody should see determination, dedication, and above all, discipline in you. No trace of indiscipline should be visible at this stage. At this stage of your session, be completely absorbed in your preparation, and definitely you will have great rewards for this. You will get very good results for this. And that has become a habit. When this kind of habit is developed of being completely absorbed in the work, then people see winners in you. So this is the time to become a winner. This is the time to have a winner-like mindset. So develop this winner-like mindset. Support your teachers. Respond to your teachers and be grateful to your teachers. God bless you all. I'm sure all children, they'll be embodying discipline, dedication, strong determination in their conduct and behavior today. Wish you all the best and wish you great success. 10th standard student, you have your first paper today. On behalf of all the teachers, my greetings and best wishings to all of you. God bless you all. Thank you.